All right, so today we're going to show you a Jones & Shipman hand feed surface grinder. This is made in England. It's going to go turn off the grinding wheel. So this machine is currently wired for 230 volts. It's a hand feed grinder with a fine feed on the cross slide here, and also a fine feed on the vertical. This also has a rapid once we turn it on. Also has a rapid vertical up and down, and it also has a light and a safety switch over here. You can adjust this sliding bar so that if you are in the habit of rapiding down to your workpiece, that as soon as you hit this switch, it'll stop the travel. That's in there for safety. Other than that, down feed would be like this. A fine feed, you turn this in and you can rotate this knob. Each click is probably maybe 1 to 2/10. I'm not exactly sure. Your cross feed. Now this is a roller bearing table. When you want to use the fine feed on the cross, you lock the center screw here, and now as you rotate this, you rotate your slide in and out. Okay, this is a new magnet on here. We just put this on here. This is a fine pole permanent magnetic chuck. This is the model 540. It's a 618. This is a really nice shape. This is original paint. This is an accurate, really high-end surface grinder. So has a nice feel to it. Get your table stops. You have a lock on the side here if you wanted to lock that. And that's pretty much it. Electrical cabinet is built in on the side. It's basically a dry machine. You could hook up a dust collector to it. You could use it wet if you had a coolant system and maybe wanted to put a few splash guards on it. But right now this is a dry machine. So there you have it. Thank you very much.